Hi everybody, welcome back to String, Cheese, and Applesauce. We're going to build the Snowspeeder.
Right.
Yeah.
Lego Star Wars, set number
7549.
75049.
How do we open it?
How do we open it? With a blade. Dump everything right there.
Nothing else.
Alright, so what do we have in there? We have a
sticker
sheet. Have a curled up instruction book.
We have bag 3, bag number 1, and bag number 2.
Which bag should we start with?
Number 1.
Why?
Because we don't want to mess up when we don't. If we don't know our numbers, we have to know our numbers. Because if we mess up, we
mess up. That's all.
We mess up. Yeah, because you're not on the right bag.
Yeah.
Alright. You have 2 of these little bags of little stuff.
Yep, little bags of little stuff. Now keep those little bags. Keep the piles of that stuff all together. Because it's like all the same kind of little stuff.
Yeah.
We'll make a pile there.
And we're going to get started. First one, characters.
Characters? Some people call them characters. I call them minifigures.
Here's the minifigure.
Right.
All I need for this thing.
Well, we're going to do a review of the minifigures, so we don't have to really show them in detail, but...
Alright, we're going to start with bag 1. I need this piece, and one of these, and put those together makes that. Then you have one of these.
What do you call those things?
I don't really know.
You don't know what that is?
No.
Let me drop some knowledge bombs on them. That, with all the studs all the way around the side, top, and everything, that's called a Travis brick. Did you know that? These bricks with all the studs around them are called Travis bricks. So that's an interesting little piece. We use a whip.
Yep.
Attached to that Travis brick.
Where am I? I don't see where I am.
Don't see where you're at.
Now I do.
This is becoming the worst build ever.
No, it's not.
That's the step we are on in instructions. So we're putting 3 of these black levers on the sides of the Travis brick. What piece are you looking for?
I'm looking for that piece. I can't find it.
That piece. Where could it be? Let's see if I can help you find it. I see it right there. I see it.
Where?
It's in my viewfinder. It's in my viewfinder.
Can't see.
You were touching it. Oh, you were touching it. It's right below your hand.
Where?
Right below your hand.
Wow, freaking. Where
That's
is?
it.
Can't really find it.
You couldn't really find it.
No.
How's it going over there?
Good.
Where are you at now? What step are you on?
This one.
Putting on a couple studs.
Mm-hmm.
Looking good.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the enemy's gun. Basically, what we're building first, right?
Yeah.
It's this thing right there. That's what we're building first.
It's hard to build.
Yeah.
I did them backwards.
So we're going to continue building this. Alright, so we finished up the Snow Trooper's gun. So that's what we have. So it's basically this gun on a turret with some sort of power pack back there, connected with a whip. Handlebars that the Snow Trooper can hold on to. So let's move on to the next little piece. What are we going to build now?
We're going to build the
Snowspeeder.
Snowspeeder.
Mm-hmm. So starting with step one is basically just going to be stacking some plates to a big plate. Alright, so looking at the instructions, let's look at what you just built. Do you see how right here, how many studs is that tan piece covering, and how many is yours covering? Look, there's something slightly different there. So what happens is that black piece, this black piece actually doesn't connect to the white plate. It's right next to it. Okay, and then the tan, the 2x3 plate that you have in your hand, holds them together. Does that make sense? There we go. Now that matches the instructions. So we have to pay attention to the instructions, make sure we do it right, because that would have messed us up if we got a little bit further down the build and realized we messed it up. There could have been some major issues.
Mm-hmm.
Luke Skywalker wants you to hurry up.
I can't find something.
What piece are you looking for?
I'm looking for this piece. Oh, it's right there.
Oh, it's right there.
And
so this is one of those panels that are for Friends sets. So little Lego Friends legs sit in between those two slots. We happen to be using it on a Lego Star Wars set. So they're finding different ways to use same pieces. Alright, we are going to make some progress.
cool.
Let's see how far we can get.
It's not that much talking.
Yeah. Alright, we are about halfway through bag number 1. This is kind of where we're at on the Snowspeeder. Got a little hinge bracket back here. Got our 2 seats. We're still building the main chassis. So, pulling the pieces together. We're going to put stickers on.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to have to help you with those. I want to put those on right.
Mostly I like prints.
Mostly you like prints?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, let me get zoom. Pull it back. I can zoom in. Yeah, I like printed pieces too. But that sticker doesn't look too bad.
No.
Cool. Go ahead and put it on. So it looks like it's a control panel piece.
I don't know.
So we got another sticker on right there. It's another control panel. So for all those kids out there that say I don't put stickers on, guess what I'm doing?
Putting six stickers on.
Putting stickers on. Alright, so here we are. This is how far we've gotten. So we've attached this piece right here at the top. And then the next step shows a sticker applied to it right there. But nowhere does it show us where and when to put the sticker on. And then we keep looking at all the other steps. Sticker's always there. So there was a mistake in the instruction book telling or showing the sticker, but not really telling you when to put it on. So we kind of thumbed through the instruction book a few pages ahead. And nowhere does it show us to put the sticker on, but it's magically appeared on there. So we're going to go ahead and put it on and continue on with our build. Still working on bag one.
Seriously?
Seriously, still on bag one. 3 inverted slopes. 1, 2, 3. Wrong way. Make it match the picture. See how it's sloping towards this thing? See how those are sloping? Nailed it. Yep, turn it back around, and at least this time they actually showed us to put the stickers on it.
Yeah.
Showed us in the instructions. So let's get those on. Alright, there's the stickers on it. Show them. Show us. Show us. Not too close. Just hold it down right here. Hold it down. There we go. We gotta let the camera do the work. You don't have to do the work. Alright, stickers are on the side of the windshield.
No, it's kind
Kind of looks dumb to me, but you know, all the kids will cry if we don't put stickers on them, right?
No.
No. Alright, so this is the last step in bag number 1.
Yeah.
And of course, don't shoot your eye out, kids.
No. I will shoot my eye out.
So this, one of the things that's different about this new Snowspeeder from the one from a couple years ago, or last year actually. I say a couple years ago, it's actually 2015 now when we're building this, but the other one came out in 2013, even though this one came out in 2014. I know, it's mathematical. But the main difference is they have this new stud shooter. So he's putting the little trigger piece in there now. So the stud shooter is going to be what can shoot out the little grappling hook. And it'll also shoot out, of course, the Translite blue studs. Potentially in your eye.
Oh.
But don't shoot your eye out.
Not shooting. Content shooting. Broken. Not shooting.
Did you put it in backwards?
No.
Oh, you've got the stud on the wrong side.
Oh. No. No, well.
Does it work now?
Yeah, well. I'm not quite sure yet.
Shoot it into your hand.
Ow, you shot my eye out.
That's why they give you 5 extra ones, because you'll probably shoot and lose them under the couch and behind the furniture and in the vents in the floor.
And shoot your eye out.
In your eyes. So here's all the extra pieces left over from bag 1. Yep.
I'm gonna hold that light too.
So let's go ahead, push those off to the side. We'll start with bag number 2 now. So the first thing we're going to build in bag number 2 are the snowtroopers, and these are new for this set because they have slightly different printing, and this one also has, let me see it, these little cloth skirt things. So there's 2 of them. There's 2 snowtroopers in this set.
2.
So we're going to do one right here. Or, no, I'm sorry, there's only one. Thought there was 2.
There's 2 of the good guys.
Yeah, it's 2 of the good guys.
Where is his legs? I have one of his legs.
Wonder where they could be. Oh, you're so close. Oh, there they are. So now this is the tricky part where you have to put that skirt thing on. Yeah, so the instructions show it behind the legs and then wrapped around and then over. This little hole piece right here goes into that stud piece. It's real tricky. It's even hard for me to do. I'm gonna have to help you. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the little skirt piece on there. Let's go ahead and get the torso on. Good.
And he's gone.
Did you get all the stuff that goes on his back? Did you get that back neck piece on there?
Nope.
Nope. Alright, so there's the completed snowtrooper. We'll do a review of the minifigures and look at them in more depth. So we're going to build one of the wings. So bag number 2 was a wing. It basically shows you right here. Snowtrooper and a wing.
Big, huge thing.
Big, huge thing. Once you take this apart and look at the instructions a little bit better. That's not quite right. It should have a 4x4 portion still exposed of the dark gray. Nope, see, the white is on top, but there should be a 4x4 portion still exposed. Push the white down that way. There you go. Okay. Alright, so we're going to keep on building this wing. See how far we get. Alright, we're about halfway done with bag number 2. You can see this wing is really making shape now. Just continuing on. And it's really been just stacking plates. A couple tiles, a couple jumper plates. Really no crazy or hard building techniques. I mean, if this little kid right here building it can do it, anybody can, right? Alright, let's finish up bag 2 now. Alright, looks like we've got most everything built from bag number 2. And then this is where we connect it. to the Snowspeeder body. What is wrong with you? Why are you connecting it like that? Turn it this way. There you go. You see there's little clips in there.
Yeah.
Attached to the other little clips. Good. It's going to be at an angle. See how these are at an angle on here? Mm-hmm. It's going to kind of point down a little bit.
There.
Got it? Yep. Cool. Okay. So there's the progress so far. Of course, this is fully stickered.
So we're on bag 3.
Now we're on to bag 3. There's our leftovers from bag 2. Go in the pile of leftovers. Alright, let's move on to bag number 3. It's basically the co-pilot and the other wing. Alright, so here's our third minifigure, Stack. He's the co-pilot in the Snowspeeder. So moving on, this should be real similar to the other wing, it's just like a mirrored copy of it. So we'll get building on this and show you our progress. Alright, there's our progress so far, about halfway through. Final bag. You can see we just got a few pieces left. Just slowly making progress. It's pretty much identical to the other one, just flipped. So let's keep on going.
It is about to be done.
Yep, it is about to be done. We've got bag 3 completed. Now we just need to connect the wing to the body of the Snowspeeder, just like that.
And now it's done.
There you go. Now it's done. Those fold up. So there's a few extra pieces, just 2 left over from bag 3. One's an extra one of the spring-loaded flick fire missiles.
Don't shoot your eye out, kids.
Yes, don't shoot your eye out. So, we have a little snowtrooper cannon. We've got, of course, our 2 minifigures. And then the rest of the instruction book kind of gives you how to use the model. Basically how to shoot the little flick fire missiles. Parts count. Checklist so you can collect all the minifigures. And there you go. So that is it for this build. Thanks for watching. If you're sad this video's over, make sure to subscribe. We've got plenty more videos just like this. So subscribing will make sure you stay up to date on everything we publish. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.